the noises.
Yeah.
And then
DaVinci also has like a very good filter for filtering out the noises. So
yeah, I just want something I can both sell, and use. Sell meaning
yeah,
still be a cheap 4.99 type thing, but
yeah.
look, they went outside their box in the graphic, but yeah, otherwise it's looking pretty good. Does anyone
Hmm.
have anything to work on or to discuss?
Not AutoHotkey related, but vibe coding. Yeah,
Yeah, go for it.
yeah. So I was working with some bookmarklets for customers who are trapped in like the corporate environments. They can't really install anything, and they're like very limited in what they can do. They can't use AutoHotkey or buy software because there's this whole purchase routine that really stops everything in its tracks. But I made like a bookmarklet that does some of the same things as AutoHotkey does.
Mhm.
Takes the clipboard, transforms it. Like you can do lots of interesting stuff there. And one of our clients I was talking to who's like, oh, well, that's a little technical for me. I can't really change the bookmarklet that easily. And I was like, huh, but I could maybe make a single HTML file
Yeah,
where you could edit what the
yeah,
bookmarklet does. So I made sort of like a bookmarklet editor as a single HTML page.
cool.
Yeah, so it transforms the prompt, so you can like change the prompt, but the rest of the bookmarklet stays the same, like the JavaScript to
Yeah,
copy the
yeah,
clipboard and all these things. Yeah, so
brilliant.
I was like, huh, that would actually like break free of the corporate um, yeah, fences that you get when you work at any sane company today. Yeah.
I didn't, yeah, I didn't know first off that with the bookmarklet you could have access to the clipboard. So that's really interesting to me because that is opens up the door a lot, right? Because I know you correct
Yeah.
me if I'm wrong, you can't save files, right? Like it's
No, not in the Bookmarklet, but I was thinking maybe create a single HTML file, because then AI told me I can't save any files, and then I like did lots of stuff, and I asked, "Are you sure I can't save any files?" And then it said, "Well, you can save to JS files," and I was like, "Well, that's a
huh,
file." So in a way, it's not like 100% easy, but it can like save and read from JavaScript files. So you can use that like we use ini files in AutoHotkey. So in many
well,
ways, it's similar to AutoHotkey, but it's like tear down, not as dangerous for people to use in their daily life. And
yeah.
yeah,
No, I think I wish Ryan was on this call because Ryan does a lot of HTML, like similar stuff. And
yeah,
I'll make sure he listens to this part, but I think it's a really interesting, sort of workaround, right? Like in some of our tools for using our AI stuff and our prompts, we show you, like you said, we need the data to come back in a certain way. So there's part of the prompts that people can't edit, but then there's a
yeah,
part where like you might want to change the instructions, right? Now, I don't know why we show them the stuff they can't edit. I kind of feel like maybe I should hide that for most people. They don't,
yeah,
but they need to know it's there. I guess that's why we let it, it's a non-editable field. But I
yeah,
think that's awesome. You're giving them training wheels is the way I think of it, right? Of making it much easier
yeah.
for them to focus. This is what I need to change, and here are the simple. Because most people, we all know this. Coding isn't nearly as hard as most people think it is, right?
Oh,
When
no,
you break it down and you simplify it, and especially if you make it very clean, it's often very simple. The little tweaks you have to make, right, to adapt
yeah,
something, change it. But people are so afraid that I don't code, and um,
yeah.
it always surprises me that I don't know if it's just an overall fear or what, but yeah, I ran into a lot in
Yeah,
corporate
yeah.
America. Yeah, very cool. No, I
Mm.
love that idea. Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace. Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services.